Okay. This my bike. We gonna check this shit. Starting the bar ends. Yeah, that's a stolen Vortex in that glow-in-the-dark stuff. It kinda works, but it doesn't really glow that much at night. This side, there's one of those animal bar ends. I love that thing. It's real nice. Animal Edwin grips. That's pretty much all I buy now. I love those things. Kink Links bars. They're a little bit bigger when I bought them, but I cut them down some so I do bar spins and stuff. The stem. This is a new stem. This thing looks nice. That's that Shadow Strike one. That's like the cutouts and stuff on the side. It's really nice. Then I got stolen Vortex top caps. I stripped my other one. Moving down, what's that again? Stolen headset integrated. Sabrosa Almedia forks. I love these things. Really nice. Get those nice cutouts down there. And next, Profile Mini Hub, the female axles, lace to an Odyssey Hazard light, USA spokes. Yeah, I put some yellow and black spokes in there. I was bored one day, so I think that looks pretty nice now. This side, got a G-Sport hub guard. It really, I don't like the way it looks. I think it looks like shit, but I'd rather not have my hub all fucked up, so I'll ride it. Shadow pegs, little ones pegs. Love these. These are awesome. Got one in the back too. I've had to spin this thing once because it got really worn down, but it's still really nice. United hub guard. I'm pretty sure it's that United hub guard. Awesome. Again, though, I really don't like the way it looks, but protects my hub, so whatever. Eastern Reaper 2 frame. Everybody says, oh, Eastern shit, but no, it's not. I love this thing. Okay. Next, Colony Fantastic Plastic Pedals. They get a little slippery when it's wet, but not really any complaints. Sabrosa Skeleton sprocket, because I bent my Shadow one. I think it really messed up. Fit Flow cranks. Like, I put these things. I did it with a lot, with grinds and stuff. Like, you can't really see, but these things are really nice. Like, there's some dent. Those are scarred up, and they're still going strong. Chain. KMC light chain thing is a bitch to take apart when you get it, but it's actually working better than my Shadow half-link one did. I like this thing a lot better, and it's lighter. Eclat PC seat, the one-piece one. I thought this was gonna be I thought it was gonna break really fast with one piece, but nope. I've landed on it a few times with my feet. Still going strong. Looks nice. To the back wheel. Oh yeah, and there, Shadow Spanish bottom bracket. And here we got a Shadow Rant V2 hub. That's really loud. I'll show you in a minute how loud it is. When you first get it though, it's really, really quiet because they load it up with grease. You're just gonna take some out though. It's nice. Primo spokes, Fly Bikes rim. I've been riding this thing a lot, and it's perfectly straight since it's nice. Got some stickers. It says cocaine. I got that off one of those McCain stickers. Monster, animal, another monster one. I don't know if you can see this, but it says, speak English or get the fuck out. Bring the ruckus. Oh yeah, I'll show you the hub sound real fast. thing. Oh shit, yeah, tires. In front, there's a little stick. A premium refuse resist folding. This is the longest lasting tire I've had so far. And all my other tires, I do a lot of sliders, and all my other tires wore out really fast. This one's lasted nice for me. In the back, have Primo E-Comet folding. This is actually wearing down pretty fast. I don't really like this tire. It's really, really light. That's why I got it. So I'm kind of a weight weenie, but it's just not lasting. Anything else? Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna put some. I think next I'm gonna get black bars, black forks, black seat. I might paint my frame a different color. And I'm getting those Odyssey Path tires. Get like tan walls, or I'm either gonna. It's either those or those Odyssey Aitken ones, the K-Lite ones or something with the red walls. Yeah, it's my bike. I'll put a clip in me doing a 360 or foot jam whip or some shit, so you know I actually ride. Subscribe to me. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. These sweet ass shoes, I love these things. Get out of those Aaron Ross signature Etnies shoes. Like all this friggin' this leather stuff, it all turned white, but these things have lasted so long for me. I usually kill shoes in like a month, and I've had these things for a while, and the bottom is still nice. Yeah, because I stopped with my shoes with the foot jam whips. Okay, that's it. It's my bike check and shoe check. Yeah.